Welcome back. With the fear of swine flu looming at large, people in Goa are seen gearing to tackle the flu rampage. People on railway station and airports are seen with masks on their face. GMC has also taken an initiative to set up new isolation ward for swine flu patients.
Goa Medical College has upgraded the guest house outside GMC to create new isolation ward for the patients suffering from swine flu. This guest house is upgraded on the instructions of Directorate of Health Services. GMC has already geared up to take all precautionary measures to control spread of swine flu in GMC complex.
So we are trying to update that guest house. Like there are overall 5 rooms. We can have in 4 rooms, we can have 2 beds each. So 8 beds could be there, and one will have to be a doctor's room if required. We have not yet shifted anything there, but 117 ward is fully geared up as on date. But we will probably, as per the latest direction, we have to also get ready at guest house. That's what we'll be doing. Now, as far the other part is concerned, we have given the mask to those doctors, nurses, class 4, or anybody working in the premises and who are likely to be coming in contact with the patient, so that they take their precautions. So they have been issued masks.
Passengers travelling by rail were seen wearing masks at Madgaon railway station as a preventive measure for swine flu. Similarly, some railway officials and shop vendors were also seen wearing the mask. But surprisingly, the officials of the GTDC counter at Madgaon railway station were seen without mask. This is the most visited counter by the tourists. However, prepaid taxi drivers at the railway station were seen wearing masks at Madgaon railway station. President of the Prepaid Taxi Driver Association, Rajesh Shirodkar, gave us more details.
हांगा आमच्या स्टेशनार आमचे खंयचे भायले लोक येतात, पुणा दिल्ली बॉम्बेचे येतात, ताका खबरदारी लागून हांवें मास्क काडले हांगा चल्ला आमच्या ड्रायव्हरांक दिवपाक लागून हांवें. कितें जालां गांवांनी सद्या थंय येता स्वायन फ्लू चलता न्हू फ्लूजल न्हू ताका लागून. सो आमी खबरदारी म्हणून आमी मास्क आमी यूज केले. अशें आमी हाडल्या आमी भशेन.
Joint Health Secretary Subhash Chandra Kurtis is on the visit to Goa. He told us the motive behind his visit.
Sir, can you just elaborate the reason of being over here?
No, this is to ensure that the arrangements are perfect for taking samples for diagnostic test and for hospitalization if necessary. Basically to take precautions so that this doesn't spread.
Now we have seen many types of masks people wearing. There is a green mask, there is white mask. Which is the correct mask over here?
So for general public, the 3-layer surgical mask is good enough.
No, but the color, here we have seen people with multicolored masks wearing coming out of the airport.
No, I don't know, there are different people wearing. But what has been told is that N95 mask is only for surgeons and all who, or those who are very close contact with the patients. But normal 3-layer mask should be good enough for people.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon and Surendra Madkaikar from Daboli.
Students of Badikar English Model High School are not happy with the midday meal provided by the government. They complain that the food is not good and the quantity is not sufficient for them.
Students have complained that they don't like the midday meal provided by the government. They also say that the quantity is very less. They also claim that sometimes they don't even get food to eat.
When I ate this food, I thought it will be very tasty. But when I tasted it, it was like I can't cope it. But when
this food, I don't never like it. And also in a queue we even do not get sufficient food to eat.
What they give here is mostly the lunch, like pulao, pav bhaji. We eat it for light lunch. So we usually take it home. And it's insufficient. And sometimes the taste is also not certain. Nowadays I got sore throat due to the sheera.
On the second day when we got the midday meal, I was not given. When I came here, it was already over.
Parents are also not happy with the meal that is provided by the government under the scheme of midday meal.
So हे कॅन्टीनाची जी वेवस्था आसा ती बरी आशिल्ली आनी थोडे भुरगे अशें करताले की जे तांचे पेरंट्स सकाळ फुडें कामां वचपा आसता ते मंथली पसून पे करताले कॅन्टीनवाले. सो पे करपाचें इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लेम. वॉट गव्हर्मेंट इज डुईंग इज बेटर देन दॅट. But the quality and the contract given to the people should be correctly given.
तो म्हणपाक लागलो मम्मा आपूण फाल्यांच्यान घेना ते तोंडाक म्हणपाक लागलो असलें पातळ आशिल्लें आनी तो पाव येदो सो आपणे जर तो पाव तोंडाका बुडयलो तो सगळो भिजून गेलो म्हणपाक लागलो आनी उरलेलें तोंडाक आपल्याक पिवचें पडलें कित्याक भायर उडोवचें पडटलें आपूण खंय व्हरून उडोवं सगळें डस्टबिनान म्हणून आपूण पिलो म्हणपाक लागलो.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Security guards at Salauli Dam has alleged that PWD Minister Churchill Alamau assaulted him while discharging his duty. Churchill has admitted of keeping the security guards on their knees but have refused the allegation of beating them.
According to the security guard on Salauli Dam, Alvin De Silva, Churchill abused him when he was discharging his duty. De Silva narrated the incident to us.
चाची लिहिलो झुम्म करून तो म्हणपाक लागलो म्हाका इधर बाहेर आव रे म्हणपाक लागलो हांवें म्हणलें सर कितें जालें म्हणलें सर म्हणपाक लागलो बास्टर्ड म्हणपाक लागलो तूं आमकां सोडना आपणा फॅमिली ती सोडूं नाका म्हणपाक लागलो मागीर म्हणपाक लागलो तुमी बळसो चॅक करता म्हणपाक लागलो आपूण बळसो चॅक कर रे म्हणपाक लागलो तेंगेलो तेजी बऱ्या गाडये कडेन कोण तेका बॉडी गार्ड आसलो तेणें तेका बळसो चॅक केले आमगेली तूं म्हणपाक चोर म्हणपाक लागलो तुमी पयशे घेवन म्हणपाक लागलो गाडये बी सोडटा म्हणपाक लागलो हांवें सर म्हण हांवें अशें करून ना म्हणल्यार तो म्हणपाक लागलो हें सोडनाय पेपरार बी येयलो म्हणपाक लागलो मागीर म्हणपाक लागलो म्हजे काडला आनी तेणें फोबार मारलो पांयांचेर एक फोबार मारतना म्हणपाक लागलो हांवें ताका चूक मागली सर म्हगे चूक जाली अशें म्हणपाक लागलो काडला हांवें दुसरो फोबार मारलो ताणें म्हगेलें फाट्ट करून मारलो मागीर सर म्हणलें आमकां तो मागीर तांकां आमगे दुसरे दोन भुरगे आसलो तांकां डिस्कस करपाक लागलो आमगे नांव घेतलो हांव म्हणपाक लागलो तुमकां कामाची काडटा म्हणपाक लागलो आमी ओगी रावले मागीर म्हणल्यार सर हांवें परतून चूक मागली सर आमगे चूक जाली आमी तुका खबर ना तुगे फॅमिली म्हणून मागीर तेणें परतून आमकां बास्टर्ड म्हणलें आपणा फॅमिली तुमी हाडप काय वलचाचेला फॅमिली तुमी हाडप काय म्हणपाक लागलो मागीर आमी ताका सर चूक मागली ताणें आमकां दिमी घातली.
PWD Minister Churchill Alamau alleged a political influence behind sensitizing this incident.
काल मुगेले म्हणजे चेडूं मेळून आमी सोयरी म्हणजे फ्रेंड्स गेले तीन गाडयो ताणें हें केल्या रजिस्टर केल्या काल खबर न्ही पळय ती 11 ती गाडी हाडली ताणें तो ताका कितें पयशे सुद्दां मसता सुवाय जाली न्ही त्या पयशे घेवपाची म्हाका फोन केलो हांव पोतोल गेलो ताका पुलीस दिया आमी गाडी हाडली सॉरी म्हणलो दिम घाली हांवें दिम घालून दिलें आमचे म्हणजे म्हगे फ्रेंडांनी रेजिस्टरार थिंगा दाखयलें ताका तेमी रेजिस्टरार ती चोणा गाडी दिम घाल म्हणली ह्या स्पोर जालो ह्या पॉलिटिकल कोणें काल ताका सायन्स जालें थिंगा कोणें सो पॉलिटिकल जर इश्यू करता तुका हांव बिबा मनीस खबर मुगेली.
A reporter from Sangye, Mayur Naik.
Now let's have a look at some other events that took place all over the state.
A workshop on tobacco control was organized by Goa Ken at Madgaon. Dr. Shanti Pamnani, Dr. Gladstone DeCosta, Ronald Martins and others were present at the workshop. Dr. Pamnani explained the ill effects of tobacco through audio-visual presentation. She mentioned that every 8 seconds, one person dies in India for intake of tobacco. Goa Traffic Police had organized a workshop on control of accidents and rules of traffic for the truck owners and drivers at Savodde. More than 150 drivers and owners were present for the workshop. Head Constable Bashir Mullah explained the causes of accident and importance of traffic signal. Sulabh Sauchalayas in Madgaon are lying in a sorry state. Taking cognizance of this, Chairperson of Madgaon Municipality, Savio Coutinho, along with Chief Officer YB Taude, inspected the Sulabh Sauchalayas in Madgaon. He has assured to repair them on immediate basis. Similarly, has assured some new Sulabh Sauchalayas in Madgaon. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Watch news from sports and CD release of Kokni music album Goof after this short break.